Oh my god, guys, I just received the best of 2023 VIP box from Rizos Curls. Here we go. Vamos. Curls that smell as good as they look. This is so true. My favorite part about Rizos Curls specifically is that they always smell so good. Oh my god, look at this. This is such a beautiful package. So here we have the Rizos Curl Refresh and Detangling Spray. Here we have the Rizos Curls Curl Defining Mousse. And it leaves my curls so bouncy and airy and fresh. And the volume, chef's kiss. Here we have the Rizos Curl Beach Waves Texturizing Salt Spray. Here we have the Rizos Curls Apple Cider Vinegar Scalp and Hair Rinse. Rizos Curls Sticker. I love it. We have the Rizos Curls Vitamin C Hair Repair Mask. And oh my god, is this what I think it is? This is the Rizos Curls California Classic Hair and Body Perfume. Oh my god. This is such a beautiful package. I just want to smell it. This smells so good and refreshing. Wow, I am obsessed with this right now. It has lime zest, California lemon, bergamot blossom, coconut ginger, white floral, sandalwood, which is one of my favorite smells. It has vanilla, coconut milk, and vegan musk. And it is so right because almost all the products smell like this, but now that I can wear this on my body, this is amazing. I love it. I definitely want to use this all and show you guys how you can use it at home, so let's go.
Well, quick outfit change to show you guys how I use these products. Lo primero, I start with the apple cider vinegar scalp and hair rinse to balance the pH levels and clarify my scalp. Después, I use the vitamin C hair repair mask to nourish and repair my hair while adding moisture, and they feel so soft. I just need to show you guys how the curls are detangling. They look amazing. They feel super suave, and the smell is just demasiado rico. It smells amazing. After 10 minutes, I wash it all off and go ahead with the Refresh and Detangling Spray as a leave-in conditioner. Después, to hydrate and define my curls, I go ahead and use the Curl Defining Mousse, which is one of my favorite products because of the airiness and the smell. Y obvio, la mejor parte, the volume. Since it's very lightweight, it enhances my natural texture. And as you can see, I define my curls when they are very wet. That way I can keep the definition, and also defining it with my hands helps a lot to retain that. Y como yo amo el volumen, I go ahead and use the Beach Waves Texturizing Salt Spray. After drying my hair with the diffuser, I go ahead and use the California Classic Hair and Body Perfume. Huele tan rico. So yeah, with the best of 2023 VIP box, you can have the perfect wash day, and it's now available on rizoscurl.com.